Best HP Laptop Charger 2024. Number 3. USB-C Docking Station. Compatible with USB-C and Thunderbolt 3 laptops. The C2G Docking Station 28845 offers a variety of features aimed at enhancing connectivity and productivity for users with USB-C and Thunderbolt 3 laptops. It is designed to be a convenient solution for connecting multiple devices and peripherals through a single USB-C connection, offering a lightweight and portable design that simplifies the process of transferring data, connecting to a network, and delivering power to ensure your devices are charged. Number 2. StarTech.com Dual Monitor USB-C Docking Station with 60W Power Delivery. The StarTech.com Dual Monitor USB-C Docking Station with 60W Power Delivery, model MST30C2HHPD, is a versatile docking solution designed for Windows laptops that support USB-C or Thunderbolt 3 connections. This docking station is particularly suitable for professionals who require a multi-monitor setup, offering the flexibility to connect via HDMI or DVI outputs. Here are the key features and benefits of this docking station. 60W Power Delivery. The docking station can charge your laptop or tablet with up to 60 watts of power through USB Power Delivery, PD, ensuring your device stays powered up while you work, without the need for an additional power adapter.
Number 1. HP 19.5V 2.31A45 WAC Adapter Laptop Charger for HP Envy. The HP 19.5V 2.31A45 WAC Adapter Laptop Charger is a versatile and essential accessory for HP laptop owners, especially those who own models from the Envy X360, X213, 15, M6 series, and others such as the 15, U010DX and 15, U011DX. Designed to meet HP's original specifications, this charger ensures compatibility with a wide range of HP notebooks, providing a reliable power source for both charging your laptop's battery and powering the laptop for everyday use. Featuring an output of 19.5 volts and 2.31 amperes, which totals approximately 45 watts of power, this charger is capable of efficiently powering your laptop without the risk of overcharging or overheating. It's built with safety in mind, including features such as overcurrent, overvoltage, and short-circuit protection to keep your device safe during both use and charging.